Hi guys, this is Professor T-Rex and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what happened during the launching of the new NFT game na Binemon last night. And actually, no, sa sobrang excitement ko, hindi na ako nakapagbihis. Wala, no, nakatutok lang ako kagabi sa computer at saka sa cellphone ko from 8 p.m., no? So, ito po yung mga naganap kagabi, guys. Ayan, no? 10 seconds na lang. And I made sure na hindi maglalag yung aking laptop. Okay, so getting ready to buy eggs. Ayan, no? Discounted siya, 75% off daw for the first 50,000 eggs. So, ayan, 10 eggs yung plano kong bilhin. Pero guys, lumabas, tingnan niyo ulit. Please wait until 13, no, UTC. So, kinabahan ako kasi baka yung iba nakabili na tapos ako ilang minuto na akong delayed. So, I checked right away my phone doon sa Discord, guys. And then, grabe, no? Grabe yung pressure ng lahat. Grabe na taranta. Everything was very chaotic talaga kagabi. Tapos, ang dami nang nagsasabi na scam daw to. Bakit bakit daw hindi na naglo-load, bakit nagkaroon ng problema sa system on the moment na bibili na. Ang dami talagang problema kagabi, guys. Ilang beses kaming nag-attempt, no? And I was also comforted by the fact na hindi ako nag-iisa. So, while reading the messages in the Discord, at least no, I was at peace kasi hindi lang ako yung nakaka-experience ng ganun during the launching. So, ayun, no, grabe na taranta lahat. And I guess feel ng lahat yung ano kagabi yung ano ba mixed emotions, no? Tapos ang dami na nagsasabi na scam yung game na to. Kaya hindi natin kilala kung sino yung mga developer kaya siguro hindi sila nagpapakilala kasi nga scam. So yun yung mga pinagsasabi nila. And ako din for a while no, I was also thinking na it could be a scam. Tapos pero kasi nabasa ko din doon sa Draken na white paper, part si Binemon sa kanilang project. Ayan, so 50-50 ako nung time na yon. Tapos yung iba guys, nakabili na. And then, nung nakabili na sila, walang egg na nag-a-appear sa kanilang account. So, yun, no, mas nakumbinsi pa sila na scam nga yung game. Yan. And then, yung iba naman, nabawasan na yung kanilang DRK wallet. Tapos ako, parang, okay, good thing, no, hindi ako nakabili agad. Good thing nag-fail yung aking transaction. At least kung scam man to, hindi ako nasali. And I was already thinking na I would sold my DRK token kasi baka bumaba bigla yung kanyang price, no? Pero sige lang, no? Na-busy din kami doon sa Discord. Ayan, kaka-update sa isa't isa. Ang dami pang mga nagbibiruan, no? Ang dami mga pinagsisend doon ng mga pictures. Ayan. So, yun yung nangyari, no? Despite of what happened, despite of all the chaos, despite of all the negative thoughts, despite of the, ano ba, mga kapalpakan, no, during that night, still, no, we were able to have fun in the group chat. Ayan. So, shout out sa lahat ng mga naka-chat ko doon sa Discord. Ayan. I really had fun last night, no? Kahit na stressing yung situation. Ayan. And anyway, no? Finally, guys. Ayan. After more than an hour of trying, ito na yung nangyari. So, ayan, 5 eggs lang muna yung binili ko to make sure, no, na okay na yung kanilang system. Ayan, so loading, talagang patience, guys. Since this morning talaga, we were all waiting for this game. Ang dami pa nga nagsabi nun, sana hindi na lang ako nag-invest dito, sana doon na lang sa Binemon. Ayan. So, still, kabado pa rin, no? Because I might lose. Ayan. If ever this was a scam. So, talagang matagal, guys. So, ayan, dito sa part na 'to medyo alanganin. So, pumunta na lang ako sa, Ambrosia, ayan. So, bumili ako ng 50 lang muna 'no, and ayun pumasok na nga si 50 Ambrosia, ayun 'no. Ay hindi pa pala, kailangan mo pa talagang i-refresh ng i-refresh ng i-refresh, ayan. Tapos bili na naman ng egg, ayan. Ayan guys, so meron akong 10 eggs and 50 ambrosias. So successful yung aking transaction. And then at this moment, hindi ko alam kung saan ba ako maglalaro. Eh hindi ako na-orient na doon pala sa application sa cellphone. So ito na nga, sa cellphone natin siya i-access. Na-download ko na yung kanyang file. Yan. So, sa lahat ng nakabili ng pet, yung mga first batchers dyan, congratulations sa atin. Tsaka sa mga hindi, dahil nagka-problema sa internet connection nila or hindi lang talaga sinwerte, hopefully, no, makabili kayo at a discounted na price. I really hope for the best for everyone. Okay, so, ito yung nangyari. Ayan, guys, in-access ko na yung aking um, game. So, syempre, excited lang mag-break ng egg. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na part. Ayan. Okay, so that's my first ever pet. Si Coordinator. Okay, next naman, break na naman tayo ng another egg. Medyo loading pa yung kanilang application. Or at least, no, hindi naman siya scam. Okay, sino naman to? Okay, I have Thunderstroke. Ayan. Wag lang muna sa Fusion. Skip tutorial. So, crack na naman. So, I have 10 eggs to crack. Ayan, ito po yung aking mga mons. Okay, I have my balsa quirky. Weird. And another egg. Come on. Tagal. Ayun, si Crouching Tiger. Tiger? Really? Okay, another one. Okay, I have a girl Ubiquis Squalid. Seryoso ba sila dito? Okay, break again. Yung mga pangalan. Okay, I have naman and Oblivion. Ano yun? Anyway, next egg. Ayan, meron tayong Fender Boy XXX. Tatlong X talaga, no? And then we have a confused shoe. Really? Something went wrong. Baka naglo-loading pa yung pet, yung mon ko. Well, anyway. Okay, so ayan guys, no, yun yung first part ng game. Nasa beta pa lang tayo na phase. So, yun yung aking mons. Sana ma-access ko pa siya. Ito yung kanyang base. Ayan. So, you will need 5 mons, guys, no, for you to go to a battle. And then, sa battle, coming soon pa siya. Ayan. Aabangan natin yan. Also, the map, no, you can own lands, you can buy lands. So, coming soon din siya. Fusion. Ayan. Pwede namang mag-fusion. Okay, wala rin yung fusion. Wala pa siya. Inventory. Okay guys, ito medyo disappointing lang kasi wala akong tanker and healer. So I only have ano wala. Ano 'to? Wait lang ha. Okay, so medyo may problema pa siya 'no. Yan. Well, anyway, update ko kayo bukas kung ano yung nangyari sa kanilang application. Kung okay ba siya bukas. Kasi meron talaga siyang problema, no? Ngayon na launching. Ang dami kasi gumagamit. So, siguro hindi nila inaakala na ganun kadami yung gagamit, mag-a-access. So, sige, update ko na lang kayo about dito mamaya. So, well, ayan guys. Yun po yung update no, regarding the launching of the Binemon Prometheus na phase. Ayan, beta phase pa lang po siya. So doon sa gusto pang humabol, it's all up to you. Sinishare ko lang naman yung experiences ko dito. I'm not really promoting the game. So ano no, invest at your own ano lang talaga risk. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have the time, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and uh, I'll keep you all updated na lang regarding cryptocurrencies, topics, and other interesting stuffs. Thank you and have a good night. Bye!